This is an introduction video to an effective supplier quality audit course, which is designed to help supplier and procurement management professional to become an expert in audit. It takes years to become an effective quality auditor, which is able to uncover potential gaps in suppliers' manufacturing process, leading to both quality and process improvement. By taking this course, you will learn auditing skills and secret techniques based on my 30 years of experience in supplier auditing. It will help you in supplier quality management job interview and advance your career in supplier management. Unlock all of my courses on Udemy for only $12.99. If you are using a mobile device, simply tap on More to review the special rate course link. Click on the link to view over 15 courses in multiple quality areas offered. For desktop user, you can scroll down and click on the link to download the course list. You can then click in the list to get the special offer rate. It requires years of experience with a lot of practice to become a skillful supplier quality auditor. A skilled auditor can evaluate suppliers' capability in producing consistently good quality parts and identify potential threats in the supplier's process which might impact the product quality. Manufacturing process usually move very fast. You might not be able to catch a quality problem during auditing without being professionally trained. Hello, I'm Evelyn Tan, a quality engineering professional who has served the corporate world in multiple industries for the past 30 years. A major part of my career is in supplier quality management, where I spent 17 years managing over hundreds of suppliers, big names such as Samsung, LG, Toshiba, Sanyo, Panasonic, Foxconn, Flextronics, not only in Asia but across the globes. I have developed a very consistent and systematic approach in managing suppliers and also in supplier quality audits to evaluate suppliers to ensure that they are able to deliver consistently good parts to the organization I serve. With the knowledge and experience I have designed this course to equip supplier quality auditors with the skills to conduct a successful quality audit, which leading to good quality products delivered to your organization. Upon completing this course, you will know the various types of suppliers audit, conduct suppliers quality audit effectively and efficiently by following a systematic auditing process that is divided into phases. Understand and use audit tools such as checklists to effectively identify suppliers' gaps in achieving quality goals, and also an auditing skills to become a successful supplier quality audit. This course will make you an expert in supplier quality audits and become any company's assets. Having a good auditing skills will open many doors in your career. You might have the chance to audit big multinational companies, Fortune's 500 companies, and learn about their process. The tools and techniques in this course will enable you to identify suppliers' good points and also surface out all suppliers' weakness and problem, which lead to a more objective supplier selection and also process improvement. Once the gap is identified, action plans can be established to close the gap and improve the quality. Don't you agree so? This course is for supplier quality managers and engineers, procurement professionals, supply chain manager, commodity managers, anyone who's involved in supplier quality auditors, or anyone who aspires to become quality auditor and supplier management professional. I have packaged my expertise in this area in a structured course with 11 modules where there are clear and crisp slides to make learning more interesting and easy for you to understand. As time is precious, only essential information will be given so that you can digest those information easily. Auditing skill is very difficult to master. By taking this course, you will be able to master the skills and you will be a competent supplier quality auditors who is able to surface any problem leading to poor quality. This course comes with 6 downloadable useful templates which include audit checklists you can edit and use immediately. There will be a quiz at the end of each module to test your understanding. This course has a 2-hour plus on-demand video which you can access on mobile device, means you can take the course anywhere. A full lifetime access where you will get my future updates and a certificate of completion from Udemy. Udemy is known for an affordable course provider. With a small investment, you can download my 30 years of experience to become an expert in quality auditing, where your skills will be a valuable asset to any organization, and you will also be able to beat your competitors in a job interview with your knowledge. What are you waiting for? Just click on the link below to enroll in this course and you're on your way to become a champion in supplier quality auditing. You can also connect with me through linking the link provided below to get a special rate.